Welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by. In this video I would like to share with you how I make a very fluffy cake at home without the oven and with my blender. So these are my measuring cups. So let's get started. I'm adding 2 eggs into my blender. Half cup of sugar, half cup of oil. Then I blend it all nicely for like 2 minutes. I pour the mixture inside our bowl. You can see it's all nice and fluffy. I sift in 1 cup of flour. A teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder. Then I sift it in. And I stir it in together with the whisker, gently. I introduce 1/3 cup of milk in gradually. So this is how it's going to look like. This is the consistency we are looking for. So I grease my pan with oil all over. This is my parchment paper, and this is how I get the accurate measurement for the pan. With a pen, I draw a circle round. Then I cut off the excess. So I grease the parchment paper with oil also. So we just start to release the bubbles. Pot is on heat. Then I add this and I place in my bag. Then I cover the pot and check it back in 30 minutes or when I can start perceiving the aroma. So basically this is 30 minutes. Remember that this is on a very low heat. So I'll use my skewer and check. And it came out smooth. My cake is ready. From the pot now, we'll wait 25 minutes for it to cool. So it's ready. Then I flip it over. Yummy! Okay. So this is our cake. The spongy cake, fluffy cake. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Smash the like button if this video has been of any help to you to support the work that I do. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.